Hi everyone, welcome to Tanyue. Today we are diving into a technology that changes both home and commercial space, wall printers. Over the next few minutes, we will answer the wall printer is, how it works, and how it can be a powerful tool to help you in your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you are new to wall printer or planning to build your business with this technology, today's video will guide you through the core principle how to choose the right equipment and avoid common mistakes that beginners make. Helping you smoothly step into the world of wall printing entrepreneurship. How does a wall printer work? The basic principle of a wall printer is actually printing simple. Think of it like a UV inkjet printer, except instead of printing on paper, it prints design partner directly onto a wall or other surface. Once the design is printed, it immediately cures with UV light, meaning you don't have to wait. Unlike traditional horizontal printer, wall printers are vertical. This design allows you to print on large surfaces like walls and flowers. Wall and flower printers are even more versatile. Not only can they print it on walls, but they can also print on floors and even combine the functions of horizontal horizontal for more creative designs. With just one click to upload the image, the printer automatically adjusts to the space and starts working. In just a few hours, you will have a high-quality detailed design on the wall. This technology works on the walls, flowers, wood, glass, and even metal, significantly expanding its range of applications. And if you want to print customer artwork like picture frames for claims, the wall printer can do that too. You can create and sell customer art, adding more creative value to your work. So what exactly is the advantage of the wall printer? Easy to use, no experience needed. Wall printers are super easy to operate, even if you don't have any printing or art experience. All you need to do is set up the design and printing parameters, and the machine will handle the rest. One click image or upload, a few simple steps, and you're good to go. Low startup cost, high ROI. The startup cost for a wall printing business are relatively low. Whether it's the equipment, consumable, or operational costs, they are much lower than traditional hand-painted mural or painting. This allows you to start your creative business with a relatively small investment and get a very high return. For example, printing a 10 square meter wall costs less than $10, but you can charge $200 to $500 for it. You can break even in just a few months, and the market demand is still growing. Time savings compared to traditional hand painting. Imagine using traditional hand painting method for a 10 square meter wall. It could take a whole day to finish. But with a wall printer, you can print 2 or 6 square meters for hours, greatly improving efficiency. You will save time and complete more projects in a shortened amount of time, increasing both your workload and income. High precision and efficiency. Wall printers can print complex design with high precision, ensuring every detail is clear and accurate. Whether it's a simple text design or a complex artwork, unlike traditional hand painting, wall printers print quickly, saving time and allowing you to complete large-scale projects efficiently. Seamless design, no joint issues. Wall printers can print large designs in one go, without worrying about seams, unlike traditional wallpaper or hand-painted murals, where joint can be a problem. Wall painting issues are continuous, seamless design, making the space more aesthetically pleasing, environmentally friendly. The UV ink used in wall printers meets international environmental standards, meaning it won't release harmful gases and has no unpleasant paint smell. It's safer and more eco-friendly than traditional paint and poses no harm to humans. How to choose the right wall printer? Choose the right wall printer is key to ensuring your success as an entrepreneur. Here are some crucial points to consider. Freehand selection. The freehand is the heart of the wall printer. You need to choose a reliable, high-quality freehand to ensure accuracy, prints, and long-term stability of the machine. Make sure you don't buy second-hand prints hands or parts from unreliable resources. Freehands from trusted manufacturers guarantee quality, lifespan, and stability. Choosing a reputable manufacturer with after-sales support. When choosing a wall printer, make sure it's from a well-established manufacturer with a strong reputation, especially one that offers comprehensive after-sales support. A professional manufacturer and service team will ensure that your equipment runs smoothly in the long term and that you don't face any issues during your startup phase. On the other hand, smaller manufacturers may lack the professional to provide professional quality checks or tech support. Even distributor without a proper after-sales service could impact your business if problems arise. Machine stability and durability. Wall printers run for long periods, so it's crucial to choose a stable, durable machine. The machine's stability directly affects the print quality and the project progress, so go for reputable brands with proven technology. Device update and support. Top manufacturers regularly optimize their equipment, adding new features and upgrades, and this is critical for entrepreneurs. Faster machine optimization and software update to keep you on the cutting edge of technology. Features like social media materials sharing, machine upgrades, and customer support will help you stay ahead of our competitors. Tips for beginners. As a beginner, here are some important points you should pay attention to. To avoid issues when you use the equipment. Keep the wall smooth, avoid obstacles. Protruding nails, switches, slides, or other obstacles on the wall can affect the print quality or even damage the machine. Keeping the wall clean and free of obstacles is the first step to ensure a successful print. Do a small test before printing. Many beginners rush into large-scale prints, only to find issues with ink adhesion or color distortions. Always do a small test print first to ensure the ink is decor properly and the color is consistent, preventing unnecessary waste. Regular maintenance to ensure smooth operation. Wall printers are high-precision equipment, so regular cleaning and maintenance are essential. Check the print heads, ink system, UV lamps, and other core components to prevent issues from affecting your printing results. Don't disassemble the machine yourself. Wall printers are complex machines. If you run into an issue you can't resolve, don't try to disassemble the machine yourself. Contact the after-sales team for assistance to avoid causing unnecessary damage and higher repair cost. Today, we have covered the basics of wall printing technology, how to choose the right equipment, and how to avoid common mistakes that a beginner makes. By making the right equipment choice, understanding market demand, and providing excellent customer service, you can achieve great success in this faster-growing industry. If today's content helped you, don't forget to like and follow us for more useful wall printing tips. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment and we will reply as soon as we can. Thanks for watching and we will see you in next video.